The Kamp-Rite Double? The GYMAX or Teton Sports Vista? Perhaps the Tangkula or the Yescom? Which one should you buy? In this video, we will be looking at the top 5 tent cots available on the market today, and we'll tell you which one is best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best tent cots. The 5th product on this list is the Teton Sports Vista. This tent is a dream come true for outdoor enthusiasts. It combines the superior ventilation of a mesh-heavy camping tent with the dependable weather protection provided by a rainfly that covers the entire structure. What's more, Teton Sports stands out from the crowd by equipping their tent cots with guy lines on all 4 corners, making them unbeatable at keeping out gusts of wind. Not only can this cot function as a standalone tent, but it can also be effortlessly attached to Teton Sports Outfitter XXL Camping Cot, a behemoth in the world of camping cots known for its generous size and unwavering durability. This ingenious combination results in one of the most comfortable and practical tent cots available on the market today. As if that weren't enough, the Teton Sports Vista boasts their innovative quick-pitch design. With a single pull of a drawstring, you can set up this tent in mere seconds. Talk about convenience. Plus, its eye-catching bright yellow color ensures excellent visibility during nighttime camping adventures. But wait, there's more. This outstanding product comes with a lifetime warranty, eliminating any risk associated with your purchase. Plus, its remarkable features, including superior ventilation, weather resistance, quick setup, and compatibility with the Outfitter XXL Camping Cot, make it a standout choice for outdoor enthusiasts. With its vibrant yellow hue and lifetime warranty, it's a risk-free investment that will enhance your camping experiences. Its pros are: it features a lightning-fast automatic pitching system, its rainfly is 100% waterproof to keep you and your gear perfectly dry, and it features a breathable mesh construction that is great for warm, clear nights. However, it is pretty bulky when folded up despite being smaller than a traditional tent. The Teton Sports Vista Quick Tent is an ideal unit for making a one-person camping trip more comfortable in any weather. Up next in 4th place is the Yescom Folding Tent Cot. This ingenious single tent cot seamlessly integrates convenience and functionality, revolutionizing your camping setup in an instant. Setting up the Yescom Folding Tent Cot is an absolute breeze. With its user-friendly design, you can swiftly unfold the frame and adjust the attached top, effortlessly transforming it into a cozy shelter that perfectly fits your camping needs. Talk about convenience at its finest. Now let's dive into the luxurious features that make this tent cot a game changer. Prepare to be pampered. The oversized and padded bed, complete with a 29 1/2-inch dome top, offers an abundance of interior space and a plush sleeping surface that guarantees a restful night's sleep. Also, this unit is positioned 12 inches above the ground to protect you from rocky terrain and curious critters. Crafted with durability and stability in mind, the Yescom Folding Tent Cot boasts an aluminum frame and 4 sturdy metal legs that provide unwavering support throughout the night. The bottom is constructed with resilient 600D polyester, while the top features 190T polyester with a 78-inch PU coating for excellent water and wear resistance. Not to mention, it includes an additional 190T Oxford rainfly, ensuring optimal protection during wet weather conditions. Rain or shine, this tent cot has got you covered. But wait, there's more. The Yescom leaves no stone unturned when it comes to your comfort and convenience. Equipped with 2 large zippered doors, side vents with mesh lining for optimal air ventilation and fly protection, and convenient hook on the roof for hanging a portable fan or lamp, it's a haven of relaxation and practicality. All in all, its simple setup, spacious design, sturdy construction, and thoughtful features make it a must-have for outdoor enthusiasts seeking the ultimate sleeping sanctuary. Its pros are: it has inner mesh pockets for organizing and keeping necessaries at hand, it has a removable rainfly for better weather protection, and its sturdy legs are great for rough terrain. However, its multiple poles and clips make pitching a bit tricky. The Yescom Folding Tent Cot is a spacious but portable option for campers who want greater comfort and a well-organized sleeping space. It's ideal for short and long-term camping trips in the wild. Still haven't found a tent cot that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The third product on this list is the GYMAX Camping Tent Cot. A restful night's sleep in nature will no longer have to be a distant dream for many individuals with the GYMAX. This camping tent cot is a collapsible, off-the-ground sleeping product with enough room for 2 people and complete weather protection. As a folding tool, this tent cot has 2 significant dimensions and comes with a carry bag, measuring 41 by 18 by 10.5 inches when packed. Many users love its sun-resistant design. It is made of strong and tear-resistant polyester fabric, making it sun-resistant and ideal for camping, hiking, fishing, and other outdoor activities. It also has a front door that can be supported by poles to create a sunshade. This incredible unit will undoubtedly enhance your outdoor experience. The camping bed's sturdy metal frame allows it to cope with uneven road surfaces while remaining 20 inches above the ground. This off-the-ground sleep shelter can effectively keep you away from wet, mud, and small animals. This all-in-one portable camping set includes a tent, a cot, an air mattress with a pump, and a bedding set, offering comfort and convenience that traditional old-style camping gear does not. So why wait? Upgrade your outdoor sleeping experience today with the GYMAX Tent Cot. Its pros are: it's very easy to set up with detailed assembly instructions and all hardware and accessories included. Both the tent and the camping cot are foldable, which greatly saves space when not in use. And it comes with a free carry bag that makes the tent set easy to transport. However, the thickness of the outer material isn't very high, so it probably won't deal well with severe weather. The GYMAX Camping Tent Cot is a very comprehensive piece of camping equipment that comes with a variety of add-ons to make your camping trip more convenient. The second product on this list is the Tangkula 4-in-1 Folding Tent. Are you in search of a versatile tent cot that can withstand both summer heat and winter chills? Look no further than the Tangkula. This remarkable tent cot boasts a myriad of unique features that make it an exceptional choice for your upcoming camping escapades. Let's kick things off with the outstanding ventilation system of this cot. Equipped with ventilated mesh windows on all sides of the tent, it allows you to luxuriate in a refreshing breeze even on the muggiest of afternoons. And that's not all. To ensure your utmost comfort, an extra external cover is provided, offering double protection from the cold. You can now enjoy a snug and cozy night's sleep under the starry sky without feeling a hint of chill. What's more, prepare to be amazed by the ingenious self-inflating sleeping mat featured in this cot. This air-filled mattress is an absolute game-changer. Simply unscrew the gas nozzle counterclockwise, and within a mere 5 to 8 minutes, it effortlessly inflates, saving you precious time and energy. With an integrated pillow, you can bid farewell to the hassle of lugging around extra bedding while reveling in a supremely comfortable sleeping experience. But wait, there's more. The Tangkula is not only packed with comfort, but also durability and stability. Boasting a heavy-duty metal frame, this 2-person cot can handle an impressive load capacity of 660 pounds, ensuring unwavering support throughout your camping journey. Furthermore, the elevated cot provides a safe haven, shielding you from muddy water intrusion during your outdoor activities, with extra fixation straps and metal stakes to enhance wind resistance and stability. You can rest easy knowing your shelter is rock solid. And the convenience doesn't stop there. This tent cot comes complete with a spacious carrying bag that can accommodate all the essential accessories. Plus, thanks to the additional rollers and handles, transporting the bag is a breeze. Overall, the durability and convenience of this unit make it a fantastic choice for outdoor enthusiasts. Its pros are: it comes in 2 colors, green and gray. It has an inside hanging hook, specially designed for lamp placing, and bottom shoe pocket ensures convenient storage. And it can sustain 660 pounds of weight, which is remarkable. However, given its weight and sturdy construction, this tent is big and a little difficult to carry. The Tangkula 4-in-1 folding tent is suitable for both summer and winter camping trips, and is sure to make sleeping in the great outdoors far more enjoyable. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, the best tent cot is the Kamp-Rite Double Tent Cot. When it comes to camping, it's not just about having a comfortable sleeping spot. Having ample storage space is equally important. That's why the Kamp-Rite Double Tent Cot is the ultimate choice for camping enthusiasts who value both comfort and convenience. Prepare to be amazed by this exceptional camping cot. Designed with your needs in mind, Its heavy-duty construction features a powder-coated frame that provides unmatched strength and durability. Resting 11 inches above the ground, you'll be shielded from insects, rocks, and dampness, ensuring a peaceful night's sleep. But that's not all. The cot also boasts a convenient mesh storage hammock underneath, allowing you to keep essential items like medicines and water bottles within easy reach. What sets the double tent cot apart is its ability to create a private sleep space when fully enclosed, revolutionizing the way you experience the outdoors. No longer bound by traditional camping gear, you can now venture outside more frequently with unrivaled comfort. The best part? Assembling this cot is a breeze, and you can do it all by yourself. Moreover, the Kamp-Rite features a unique hinge design that offers remarkable versatility and functionality. In a matter of seconds, you can effortlessly transform it into a lounge chair or a standard-style cot, perfect for larger family-style tents. And let's not forget the added comfort provided by the padded head section. Your head will thank you for it. Plus, the cot's surface is made from 600D fabric, ensuring both comfort and strength throughout your camping adventure. All this means that the Kamp-Rite reigns supreme among camping enthusiasts. Its unbeatable combination of comfort, durability, and smart design sets it apart for the rest. So say goodbye to cramped sleeping quarters and hello to a camping experience like no other. Its pros are: it features a lightweight aluminum frame, making it easier to carry. Its elevated sleeping platform keeps you high and dry and away from the bugs and snakes. It has a padded head section for extra head comfort, and it has a durable rainfly and easy use, corrosion-resistant zippers for long-lasting convenience. However, while it is a double-sized cot, the bar that supports the middle of the cot is noticeable, so you can't really lie in the middle. Whether you want to go camping alone, with a loved one, a friend, or your partner, the Kamp-Rite Double Tent Cot is a fantastic camping tool that will unquestionably improve your outdoor experience. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.